He looked at me, and you need to go around. No. He was like, you need to go around. Mike was like, no, he don't. He was like, huh? No, he don't.
My teammates Cole and Jeff. What's happening, boy? We back in San Ramon, nigga. We back in San Ramon, nigga. At the Outpost doing it big. You know, we doing it big. Promote my fight. Your boy fighting December 12th. Red Hot Casino. Come check it out. You know what I'm saying? Got tickets for sale. It's all good. $35 each. Hit your boy up for some tickets. It's all good. I'm finna knock a dude out. I'm telling you right now. First round, baby. First round.
Is that a prediction? First round? Oh boy.
Hey, open the card. I need to take a look.
What's he trying to get, man? So
trying to hook me up with a t-shirt.
5150s?
Yeah, so you could be part of the team.
Yeah.
You filming right now?
Yeah.
All right.
It's on a cracker.
On a cracking. All right. Once again, representing 5150 Fightwear. What I did, I'm hooking my man up here.
Yeah, 5150.
I met him here last week. I gave him a, what was that, a 3X? 4X.
Yeah,
4X. I hooked him up with a 4X. Now my man's gonna go ahead and represent this at the Raider game tomorrow.
I'll be at the Raider game.
So
Section 136.
We gonna
Row 2, C1 and 2.
There we go. We're gonna do it live. We're gonna do it live.
5150. Yeah. Right on, man. I appreciate it.
5150. We in the house.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
Bro. Yeah, no
I appreciate it.
Got you.
That's what we do. I'll let you know before I do it.
Actually, Manny will be there a little bit.
You get a 35 plus a free hat, shirt, or beanie. December 12th, Gladiator Challenge Fighter, Red Hot Casino. Come let Eric Flood know. You got 10 tickets left. 10 tickets left. First come, first serve.
Where's the beanies? Let me get the beanies out.
Better than yours, I can teach you, but I have to charge my milkshake. Bringing all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours, I can teach you, but I have to charge.
I felt a shadow. Yeah, he said he felt a shadow coming through.
That's respect, man. That ain't
It's all good.
Thank you. Holy cow.
So we out here hanging with the, with the people right now, trying to get rid of some of these tickets. Y'all come out and see your boy December 12th. Gonna put it down on somebody, you know what I'm saying? December 12th, Red Hot Casino. Let's do this. Yeah, I know you got that.
They build that, right?
That's what I'm talking about. That's what we do. That's what we do. Y'all see that, right? That's your boy, December 12th. You know what I'm saying? Gladiator Challenge, your boy, right there. He's right there. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Watch out now. Watch out now. That's your boy. You gotta get hurt him.
Just here to stop by and say what's up.
What's up, Nocturnal Bliss with Eric Flood over here, representing TNT Takeover.
What's happening, baby? What's happening, baby? You know
December
12th. December 12th, Red Hot Casino.
Gladiator Challenge. Get your own tickets.
That's right, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. We out here in Outpost, San Ramon, California, doing it big. Nocturnal Bliss, you know what I'm saying? The Nocturnal Bliss. Nocturnal Bliss with the 5150. And oh boy, And oh boy, that good old TNT. With that good old TNT. You know what I'm saying? Your boy, E-Blood Hurricane coming at you December 12th. Red Hot Casino. Get your tickets. Hit me up. It's going to be real quick. Real quick.
It's all about me right here. It's all about that right there.
Hands up, Vicky and Brenda. Please, you can never compare to me. All these is scared of me. I am who they couldn't even dare to be.
December 12th, baby. Hurricane coming at you 5150 in the house, baby. TNT. One round, baby. One round is all I need. All I need is one round. What I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, that TNT. That's that TNT right there. That's that TNT. But look at that right there, though. Huh?